For this project, we're using Bonoss forged aluminum wheel spacers. They come with a cooling feature and they have a 10-year warranty. Now we're going to do an unboxing.
So the reason for I'm going with the spacer is I used to have a 17-inch tire and I'm going to a 15-inch tire and it just didn't clear the caliper, so I needed the spacer for that. So this is the spacer itself. It comes with the lug studs. This is actually an application for a 99 BMW.
If you don't have an impact gun like we do, you can use an impact or breaker bar here. Make sure the car is on the ground. We'll do it just like this. We have an impact gun here, so this is how we're going to take them off.
So after you remove the tire, you're usually going to have debris and rust on the face of the rotor. So here you can use a die grinder or sandpaper or a little wire brush. Here we're going to use a die grinder to remove the debris so I have a good clean face for the rotor and the adapter. So here you're just going to want to torque them to factory spec.
While the wheel's in the air, have a family member or a friend help you by holding the brakes.
All right, guys, so we just finished the install of the Bonoss wheel spacers. Maurice, what are your thoughts?
They were really nice. The quality was really good. I mean, the paint was really good on. They weren't scratched or anything. Install pretty easy and simple. So I think they look really nice. I think they make the car look nice.
Richard?
Yeah, I mean, the finish on them is very top quality for what you get. The knurling on the edges actually makes it very nice when you're holding them and trying to grip them and put them on. Overall, fitment and all that is very good. There's no slop to them. There's nothing where you feel like you have to make any modifications. Everything is just fit and go.
So speaking of modifications, were any modifications necessary for this install?
No, not at all.
Just cleaning the rotors because they are old. That's it.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Just cleaning rotors, and that's the only thing that you have to do. Besides that, if your rotors are clean and they're brand new, there's no modifications. It just slip on and go.
We ready to go racing?
Ready to go racing.